Ngayon naman ay pag-uusapan natin ang Certificate of Training for the DepEd ranking. So, the first question here, everyone, hindi na natin patatagalin at sasagutin na natin yung inyong mga katanungan sa comment section. Ilang hours ba dapat ng NC2 or NC3 para ma-perfect ang training sa DepEd ranking? So, for your training, everyone, for 16 hours to 31 hours, we have 2 points yan. And we have 32 to 47 hours, that is 4 points na yan. We have 48 to 63 hours, that is 6 points na yan. And we have 64 to 79, that is already 8 points na. And we have 18 and above, we have 10 points na. Perfect na yan, okay? So therefore, kapag meron kang NC2 na ilang hours yan? Okay, so sobra ng 80 hours. So that is already a perfect score for your training. So therefore, everyone is dapat na gumawa, maghanap ng pwede matrainingan. Kasi, like for example, sa mga NC2, NC3 na yan, may mga allowance pa yan. Makakaroon ka pa ng certificate, magkakaroon ka pa ng pera for the allowance. Okay? So, everyone, next question tayo. Kung may katanungan, feel free to ask sa ating comment section at sasagutin ang kayang sagutin. Saan makukuha ang Certificate of Training? Ayan. So, minsan, makukuha yan sa mga, like for example, NC2 or NC3. Pwede mo yung makuha sa mga TESDA, ayan, sa mga TESDA training. And at the same time, meron mga trainings na meron na siyang allowance. So, therefore, kung ako sa inyo, mag-ask na sa mga training center kung available or meron ba silang ganyan. Okay? So, kung may mga katanungan about Certificate of Training, everyone, dapat na taasan or dapat na maghanap ng training na madami yung number of hours para ma-perfect yung certificate of training natin or ma-perfect yung training natin na certain na criteria sa DepEd ranking. Ayan! Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. By the way, this information is depende sa inyong division. Thank you so much, everyone. Goodbye and God bless.